Alright, the gateway is installed. Let us run the wizard. The command is OpenClaw onboard -- install-daemon. The install-daemon flag is important, so let me say more about it. It sets up a background service so the gateway starts on boot, macOS, gets a launch agent. Linux and WSL2 get a systemd user unit. Windows gets a scheduled task. If you skip the flag, you will have to start the gateway manually every single time you boot your machine. And that gets old fast. So do not skip it. Trust me. The wizard asks if you want QuickStart or advanced. Pick QuickStart your first time. It picks sensible defaults for everything, and you can always change anything later with OpenClaw configure. We will get to that in a moment. 7 steps. Let me walk through each one. Step 1. Model and authentication. Pick a model provider. Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, whatever you have a key for. Paste your API key or run an OAuth flow for Codex or Anthropic. The wizard also supports secret references. That means environment variables, files, or shell commands that produce the secret. For non-interactive setups, like installing OpenClaw on a server through a deployment script, that is the path you want. Then pick a default model. For a personal assistant, something in the Sonnet or GPT-4 family is a perfectly fine default. We will tune model choice for cost in Module 19. Step 2. Workspace. This is where the agent files will live. The default is ~.openclaw/workspace. Just accept the default unless you have a reason. The wizard seeds bootstrap files into that workspace folder. So ul.md, agents.md, .user.md, identity.md, a few others. We cover those in Module 4. Step 3. Gateway. Port 18789 by default. Bind to loopback, which is 127.0.0.1 for local only. That is what QuickStart picks. Auth mode is set to token, with a fresh token auto-generated. You do not need to remember the token. The control UI handles it for you on direct loopback. We cover remote access patterns in Module 17. Step 4. Channels. Pick which messaging platforms you want to wire up now. You can also do this later with OpenClaw configure -- section channels. The wizard lists Blue Bubbles, Discord, Facetune, Google Chat, Mattermost, Microsoft Teams, QQBot, Signal, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp. Telegram and WhatsApp default to allow list policy. They ask for your phone number. That is the safe default. Skip channels if you are not ready. You can always add them later. Step 5. Daemon. This is where the install-daemon flag does its work. The wizard validates the token and any secret references, then writes the platform-specific service file. After this step, the gateway will come back up automatically every time your machine boots. Step 6. Health check. The gateway boots. The wizard pings it. If it goes green, you move on. If something is off, the wizard tells you exactly what is wrong. Steps 7. Skills. Recommended skills get installed. Calendar, search, weather, that kind of thing. You can manage them later from the skills panel in the control UI. We cover skills in Module 11. When the wizard finishes, run 2 commands. OpenClaw status, that confirms the gateway is up, and OpenClaw dashboard, that opens the control UI in your browser. You are done. Now, if anything went sideways during the wizard, you have options OpenClaw configure to reconfigure everything. OpenClaw configure -- section followed by a section name, like web or channels, to redo just one step. OpenClaw onboard -- reset to start the whole wizard over from scratch. OpenClaw agents add followed by a name to add a new agent post onboarding without redoing the wizard. Alright, let us send our first message in the next lesson. See you there.